Hey gang, welcome back. Just wanted to give you an idea of the car I'll be starting on. It's a 1982 Classic Cobra by Hot Wheels. Alright, let's get this bad boy apart. Yes, I already pre-drilled it, cleaned it up. I got the new screw in it. See what the inside looks like here. I'll tell you one thing, it's got some rusty. Alright, let's get all the kids in the pool. And here we go. After you let them set up and dry, this is what you should end up with. Your original hub has been drilled out because of its ragged oversizedness, and this brass tube has been put in. And all you have to do is sand that back down to the original spot, and you're all ready. I'd like to take a minute and show you, this is a pretty cool little kit. It's all these little like drill bits. And I found out what they are made for the people that work on the air conditioners and the gas lines, and they're jet cleaners. But they turns out they work great for boring out little holes and stuff. Just thought I'd take a moment to show you that. I don't know how many of you guys out there use these little rubber abrasive wheels, but I got into them with my jewelry making days. And I can tell you this, if you want to get the body mold lines and stuff off, these are perfect for it. As always, before you start putting on your paint and primer, or your primer and your paint, get your steel wool working. Quick dip some mineral spirits. Make sure you get all them little fingerprints off before you prime. Alright, gang. Looks like it's time to get some butter on this muffin. Or some primer on this Cobra. Wheels on this bad mamma jamma. Be right back. As a little extra security, I like to mix up a little JB Weld. And put that across where the posts or the clamps inside there used to be. Go. Alright, let's see if we can get our interior cleaned up. We're gonna have to figure out something on this roll bar, but that shouldn't be a problem. Get her in some hot soapy water here. As I said earlier, we had to fix the roll bar on this, and I was trying to think of what I could fix it with, and I thought, what better repair than a paper clip? So let me get into that. Alright, let's see if we can get this new roll bar on. Let's get it ready to get our axles on. As I've said before, I like to put a little hole in here to apply your adhesive. And a drop of the glue. There you go. You got your shoes back on. Alright, let's get some of our silver on here, or chrome, or whatever you want to call it. On pipes, or whatever kind of pipes they are. Sorry, I got a little ahead of myself on the decals. Now we need to see what we can do about replacing that windshield. That's all that I have left of it, so I'm gonna have to make something, see where we can go with it. It's a little rough still, but once it securely dries, I'll sand it up, polish it up, and give it a little dip of my Pledge Revive It. Alright, now that we have our windshield looking nice, down. Need to find something to sit it up on. Here I'm putting in a little detail on the tail.
We'll get ready to assemble it up, put it all back together when it's dry.
Forgot to, or I should say almost forgot to put the snaps in for the cover, the roof, and the gas filler. And the emblem on the front. Now we'll step away and let this dry. Alright, boys and girls, let's put this bad boy back together.
I'll be right back with the reveal.
Here's the finished product. I'd say it turned out really well, considering what it looked like beforehand. I was able to put the roll bar back, somewhat semblance of original windshield. I think next time though I'll probably paint the stripes on instead of using the decals. She rolls really good. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Till next time, goodbye.